Why you should learn Python. Python is one of the greatest programming languages in the world. It is one of the top 4 popular technologies among developers in 2023 alongside JavaScript, HTML, CSS and SQL. This is a list of the most in-demand programming languages of 2022 and of course Python is in the top. Today we are going to explore why software developers and data analysts choose Python and why you should start learning it right now. Python was created by a Dutch programmer Guido van Rossum and was released in 1991. After the 2000, it became the most popular language for machine learning and data science. But this is not all. Right now, Python is being used in many other places, which we are going to discuss about it today. In this video, I'll give you 5 reasons that why you should learn Python immediately. Number 1. Career opportunity and salary. Python programming language provides several job opportunities and promises high growth with huge salary prospects. Some of the biggest companies which use Python for their development are Amazon, Facebook, NASA, YouTube and Google. Here is a look at the Google Trends for Python, C++ and Java in the USA. The demand for Python programming is increasing dramatically by the year. Let's look at this graph to understand this trend. The average salary of a Python developer is $92,000 per year and it also goes up to $157,000. Number 2. Rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. When coding in Python, you don't need to start from scratch. Experienced programmers have written lots of code that solves specific tasks. This pre-written code is stored in Python's modules, packages, libraries, and frameworks. With Python's libraries and packages, you can approach complex programming problems, even if you have the minimal coding experience. For example, there are useful Python libraries for game development, data analysis, creating bots, processing data sometimes, and much more. If you want to know more about Python libraries, I put a link in the description and you can check it out. Number 3. Widely used cases. Python has a really massive world and lots of great uses. It's very popular in data science, machine learning, scripting and automation, game development, and web development. In all of these fields, Python has great libraries and frameworks. Some of Python's popular frameworks are Django and Flask for web, NumPy and Pandas for data analysis and visualization, TensorFlow and Keras for machine learning, and also Pygame for game development. Number 4. Great online community. Python has a large, active and supportive community. When you're only starting your coding journey, you will often find yourself on forums like Stack Overflow. This is where you can find a solution to almost any problem you encounter while writing your first programs. Even experienced programmers benefit from such forums when working with new problems or applying Python to applications they are less familiar with. It's very beneficial to have a community where they can share their experience and help others solve problems efficiently. When you become a Python pro, you can repay the community by helping others who are only starting with Python. It feels very good when you can help a newbie by sharing your experience. Number 5. Python automates tasks. Python is a great tool for automating tasks. It has many built-in functions such as zip, map, and filter that can help you accomplish your goals with less code than other languages like Java or C++. In addition, Python's standard library contains modules like os.path which make it easy to access your files from anywhere on your computer or web. Python is also a popular language for creating scripts, which are small programs that can be used to automate common tasks. For example, you could create a script that downloads all the files from a website or copies files from one location to another. Scripts can save you time and energy when performing repetitive tasks. Python is a great language for automating tasks.